Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's analysis. As now, for today, we are going to discuss none other than Trigon, the overarching antagonist of the Teen Titans franchise. By far the most powerful and the most evil villain of the show, as well as easily one of the darkest villains ever made in animation, Trigon could be seen by everyone as the ultimate embodiment of evil in the Teen Titans universe. And in this episode, I will analyze all the information given about him throughout the series and the 2019 film Teen Titans Go vs. Teen Titans to better understand Trigon and exactly why he is this way to begin with. And now, without further ado, let's start. Much about Trigon's past and exact origins are completely unknown, but all that we know is the fact that he traveled for at least thousands of years, perhaps even more, and conquered and destroyed various realities across the multiverse, killing all life inside them in order to take over all of reality. And it's implied that he might have sired many children before, so they could become his gems or portals, so he can enter in those realities and take them over. And the latest gem being none other than Raven, born as Rachel Roth in Azrath in 1985 to a woman, Arella, which Trigon got her pregnant. And by 2003, as Trigon destroyed Azrath, Raven managed to escape on Earth, the next target of his conquests. And all thanks to a prophecy. The gem was born from evil's fire. The gem shall be his portal. He comes to takes he comes to sire, the end of all things mortal. This is the prophecy associated with Raven becoming the portal in which Trigon will invade and destroy the earth. And so, after Raven turned 18, he officially resurrected Slade, the Titan's old arch nemesis, in order to help him to go into opening the portal, threatening to kill her friends if she doesn't comply. And Raven finally complied and opened the portal and allowed Trigon to come on Earth, destroying the entire world, kill billions, and proceed to spread his minions to take over the entire universe, with only the Teen Titans and Slade, which he has betrayed, being the only ones who oppose him. And now, before I go any further, we also stop and ask ourselves, is Trigon evil? And I do understand that the question might seem stupid given the amount of crimes he committed, but it should be noted here that Trigon is generally considered to be made of evil, and similar with Aku from Samurai Jack, especially given the fact that Trigon did call himself the embodiment of all darkness, and hence why he can be anything but to be evil. However, much like Aku, Trigon too is morally aware of all the horrible and atrocious things he commits, and he has absolute no remorse for anything, as well as the fact that he even uses his own children to accomplish his sadistic goals. He doesn't care or love Raven and only sees her as a weapon, and was more than willing to even kill her after she outlived his usefulness. Not to mention that Trigon is even implied that he had more children before, and hence why they all could be dead, thus proving that Trigon is not only evil, and hence why he is classified as pure evil, and hence why the answer is ultimately yes. Trigon is nothing short of an absolute master, and in the end Raven managed to officially stop and defeat him and put an end to his madness, and managed to free the earth and save our universe. However, this defeat will not be the end for Trigon, as he eventually teamed up with his counterpart from the Teen Titans Go universe in order to absorb the power of his Raven to rejuvenate himself, and both fused together as Hexagon in order to conquer and destroy the multiverse. But thankfully, Raven, all the other Ravens managed to officially stop him and saved everyone, and finally put an end to Trigon once and for all. So in the end, who was Trigon? He was nothing more but a megalomaniacal monster who only wanted destruction in its own name. A monster that will do anything and sacrifice anybody, even family, just to achieve his own diabolical goals. And a monster that could easily be seen as one of the most darkest and one of the most evil villains ever made in animation. Thanks for watching everyone. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and have a nice day.
Oh yeah, soda. Well,